Okay, so I'm just trying out my new phone. It's the 17 Pro. And I had been filming everything with the 11 Pro. So that's quite a few, that's quite a few upgrades. Anyway, you guys are gonna have to let me know how it is here. I've been dealing with a bit of firewood, right? We got Dan coming over for, what do we got here? This is Zoom. It's pretty decent, right? I've got it right now, in Cinemagraph. Got lots to get ready for the winter. A bunch of stuff up here I got to deal with. All right. Oh man, you know what? You fill stuff up and then, where does it all go, right? At any rate, that's the cinematography. Right? Look at all this stuff I got to get out of here. I got a pile of oak I got to bring in here. So, at any rate, quick little shop tour. Here's a interesting view of pumpkins. Look at all the pumpkins. Right? Wow. So the leaves are starting to fall. It's Thanksgiving this weekend. That's Canadian Thanksgiving. And so it's a pretty nice day out right now. Cinematography. Anyway, iPhone 17 Pro. Look at this thing. I mean, wow, look at this thing, but also sold the Wadkin to a good friend. Right? 12-inch RZ. Anyway, quick little shop tour. Thanks for watching. Let me know how the camera, if it's going to be better for my content. Looking forward to it. Over and out, boys.